1966 Chevy C10 pickup. I'm going to wire wheel the frame and paint it. I wish I had some rust encapsulator, but that stuff is expensive and I have no money right now. So yeah, I'm gonna get into the video. Alright, I got the brake lights, wires ran up through, I ran it back up through there so I can wire wheel up in here. And it looks like we have some brown I gotta take off. We got this painted, and I grinded this, well not grinded, I wire wheeled it, and I painted it off camera. I'm about to wire wheel this, then if I have enough paint I'll do these two. And then I'll get some more paint one weekend, and do, I don't know what you call these. That's a swing arm, I don't know. But I'll get them done soon, but not in this video. Alright, I got this all painted up, and I got this little drill with a little wire wheel on it. Get in like the small space, I did this up under here with it, and it seemed to do pretty good. I'm going to do this little one. Looks like it's rusted through right there. I don't know if you can see that. And, alright, we'll get this wire welded down and paint it. This one all painted up, and we're gonna move on to this one, the last one.